Edidiatam and edidiatam or ya, and this for. No moon say. Every day be a Kevin Taylor best on the life be an ear penny across here 9 year market. Me, say me.
Yes, it was for Ghana TV GH. Make sure now all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime you post videos be saying, we shall make be a watch.
Me, say me, dear papa. Hey, Kevin Taylor, me, dear one ho. You to me the Japaway. Media tamwa mo de me kokko to MPP ba mo so mbe jame. Ye jame. Ni amami coot. Kwasi me di me brese. Ye be ya mahama, ye be di na tema. Me se me di owo de me mo ma no no ankasa boni a wedi ni be ku na ye be ku so ampa. Because let the principe les principois les Frenchiens à la France. What you do is what you sow. Until the bonnet he do go kill him. Wages of sin is death. Until nyame na meka. Ne bonnet a wedi ni bekuno. Ewo no so ebeba. Because on fan crofo abrabo enkwan nsa won kwana won kopo ba bi ntina da bi onyame wonye frafra kobofo da bi. Oye principled just one time. Yen fam frafra te said ya NDC 4 year no udi atro kakra no edi no kore kakra san Kwasiasɛm ni nyame wonye bi na nti ebra etwa difunji no mo twes ayi tuyo yesi e de bebo no ebra abo ye ogina wo se ba bi asebe akufu ado je bi dan kwa wu ye no ehwa na akufu ado be wu no sa time no na mo wo he na ma deda na ana sa time no na mahama ehu nkwasi eduru agumani so ntina mu ni na ma deda. Hey, Mr. Mama, and your radio. And then this item, the dear no, ya. I said, bro, no insult change our minds. I don't give a fuck. Man, guy, family home media. Whether you will change your mind to vote or you don't change, it means me dear temini be. Mama Fayin in uncle. Ya premo. If it time wa Ghana, yes, pen into my pefra, a bayfu kuo we yet to the nearest Ghana, so ya magana nyasum da. Morales Appiah was so no free wuram wo free kura agbalima ne yatwi no ho enti won tia se so obi watarazo na mo pa ya na de na ha mo ye ya na de na wuram mutrim se makochi fanti comedy. Such a useless government. Atoyire nchematon. Ascertaining what really went wrong. What can be done to prevent things like that? The first thing you decide to do is to show how useless you are. The first thing Mahama could do to show was to show how useless he is. Munko be a baby. Keep reporting the page. I don't care. Munko be a baby. Say was of wobi eko di container say be ni trimuna opeso ehye nkomo na odi akoho okoho a na ye de amebri se free yankra ne o masofo na o matena so na o ma vete prophecy hey na say nyame sa na otie. Na ndi sa nyankopon sa na otie eya me wanwan wo de ehwe asem a making wo ye NDC fine yes ye na ye obi adidi atem no problem let's forget about that. Now let's talk seriously for adwene bra I know sa adwene ne no so ba kakra na aka no fa bra na me no ncha de bi NDC for muntie. You have lost the likes of Omanebuama. The people are Omanebuama support to NDC mwenye ketwa o. You have lost Mr. Sapon, astute member of your party, a big-time financier of your party. You have lost Muntala, academic gem of your party. The number of people that depends on Muntala. We are talking about Peter Nala, somebody who feeds the family. We are talking about Amprechum, who works to feed the family. We are talking about Mensa, who works to feed the family. And the only thing your government could come up and say, and come shefona ye shem rebi brebi se wamomba mfam mefa panic em meto Ghana for so no afede ye se amom kwan se ya ne ka se mamon hye nkom o ene de mon hye nkom na mon famra na emom nkom no mo de ba every se free yankra ono na yasra ne ngo se suma nkwa ahene erade se bio ahimfie po na yewo Sumankwa bo brao ho sumankwa wodjuma wodie na presidency sumankwa ahene de how e de akura ni e de na moye Ghana for NDC tie we are talking the seat of government, and at the seat of government there is something called sumankwa ahene wono na ebe hwehwe musuo ne da ye twetwa erade plane na ye ka say yen upgrade no eno ho asem de yen kan military na ye say yen upgrade o mo ne ama mo no eno yen kan as if that was not enough. Abrantie ya ogigi yani e o social media yi me koto ne Ghana ebra we yi ekoto metimi hwe ne sa na masere sa me say fancy comedy or say ebra boko yi de satire no say boko MPs ni na mo nkrofo si o mu hia mo ofie won ma be ko obi ma so o mo nkrofo hia mo ofie na so no me say ani na me bisa ne say na wa de na de bia me first na me dwen say ode ayi na ye ka de say ear we na am first say ear plugs. Yes, and no na be so dey and o say we have bibi answer na nsa kekera na me say oh erade your mama oni me answer oni na ba na mo ye Kwasiapanin ma she said they don't know what to say when something is not yours, and this is biblical, okay? Say bibi nya wo de na okofa unhu so hwe obehu fine girl bi o me pemepe de be ma no atete no obehu fine boy bi boy we de me nya me pemepe afi mo no that is how onima de so hwe because fancy comedy hwe opa yen kan on any international news say a comedian who actually is called fancy comedy, who does political innuendos here and there, is the focal point of a certain government. Ombesriyen ye kokora bosia kora omoma yibi kombe unse ye nimu nyansa ya mamu bosia na mo fan kofa comedian fo omo yo mu comedy fo omo kotum ya mayen nini na ne say ye chi fancy comedy ye chi AY na ya de say hunu to omo so a ye betena ha ye nka ma ha ma asem ene omo bodam papa na mo 7 months